Hello everyone. In the first two sessions, session 1 we have discussed about meaning of statistics and background of statistics. In the second session we have discussed what are the definitions or statistics are given by two authors. One is Anchenwal, another one is Kraunston. Two definitions we have discussed in the second session. In the today's session we are discussing about functions of statistics. What are the functions of statistics can be do by statistics? See, as we all know, statistics is a process of scientific method of collection of numerical data and its interpretation. The first function of statistics is presents facts in simple form. That means it is going to aggregate the facts. For example, in a classroom, there are 100 students. We are collecting the marks of 100 students in a particular semester, how much percentage they have got. Had 100 students percentage divided by 100, if you do, you'll get one aggregate value. That value is called one typical value or representative value. That's called average, what we can call. Like that, statistics is going to aggregate the facts and it will give you the one result. For example, in a classroom, there are 100 students. We are checking that what is the height of the students. How we can say they, for example, in that classroom, minimum height is 4.6, maximum height is 6.1. So each and every students are having variation in the in height, in their height. So on an average, I should say, in this classroom, what is the height of this classroom? Height of the this classroom of students. What we will do, under students height, we will collect it and we will make a average total of 100 students height divided by 100 students. We will get one value that is called typical value or average value or representative value. Like the statistics is going to aggregate the facts in a simple form. Instead of telling 100 numbers, we are going to tell in one number. For example, I collected 100 students height and divided by 100, we have got one number. Think that every students are having their variation in means heights. 4.8 one student 5.2, one student 5.6, one student 6.1, like that are having in class. We have collected and made a average. We got one value, that 5.6 on an average in this classroom. It is representing whole section of the classroom. So that is called aggregates of facts or average of facts. So statistics will do in that way. Second one, it reduces the complexity of data. As I told you now, it, there is a huge data. It will comprise. How it will comprise? Through making averages, dispersions, skewness, correlation, regression. What we will do? It will condense the data. For example, uh, there are 1,000 students are studying in a college. 1,000 students are results are varied. So many students have failed, many students have passed, many students have got distinction, first class, like that. Instead of showing different means like this, statistics help us to reduce the data. For example, this college result is 96%. Means that what are out of 1,000 students, 96% students have passed, 4% students have got failed. Means it is, instead of showing whole 1,000 students data, we are showing in a one number. That is called, it reduces the complexity of data. It helps us to complexity of the data. This is the second function of statistics. The third one, facilitates to comparison. So statistics help us to compare between one thing to another thing. For example, there are two students in a class. They have passed in their one particular semester. Take data from both the students, average it. Who has got better? Who has got best? For example, one student has got 70%, one student has got 75%. Yes, this person has got 75%. This person has got 70%. We can compare between them like that. If you go for business statistics, there is a company, Infosys and Pro company. Which company is performing better? So take 10 years profit of Infosys company, take 10 years profit of Wipro company, make a average. You will get an average value. So which company is performing better? You can make a comparison between them. Or else in each and every data we will do that. Collect the data of sales, compare it, collect the data of cost, compare it, collect the data of expenses, compare it. So statistics is help us to compare between one thing to another thing. So this is the another function of statistics. So in this today's session, we discuss three function of statistics. It presents the facts in simple form, or as aggregate the facts. Second one, it reduces the complexity of data, means it will reduce the data, it will condense the data. Third one is it facilitates the comparison between one to another one. This is about today's session. Remaining part, let us continue in next session. Thank you, everyone.